Proton Rupter is a highly effective and consistently profitable expert advisor. It works exceptionally when combined with our probability analysis indicator. Here is how it works. Firstly, we use our probability analyzer for high probability trading opportunities. On this list, we need 20 or more high probability trades for success. We only load the expert if this condition has been met. Let's have a look at the trades taken by the Rupter. This is obviously a live market, and as you can see, this is a real account. Firstly, we need to do a success probability analysis. As explained, we need 20 or more high probability opportunities to proceed, as in this case. From here we need to enable automated trading. On this dialog box, allow automated trading must be checked marked. You can also do this by clicking the auto trading button. We then load the expert. You can deactivate external experts. There we go. The expert disregards correlations because of the nature of its algorithm, which is designed to ensure maximum profits. For the consideration of time, we will move forward to key moments of the trades. 12 hours 30 minutes later, this is where we are. These are all the trades. As you can see, most of them are in profit. We have to occasionally check our success probability analyzer to make sure we still have 20 or more high probability symbols. If this changes, we exit. We are no longer in a conducive state for profitability, so we must close all trades. As you can see, our balance has increased to $13,254. Day 2, we are continuing where we left off. The first step is always a success probability analysis. No good, we do not trade in such cases. Moving on. All good. We enable automated trading. We load the expert. There we go. These are all the trades. Moving forward. This is where we are, almost 18 hours later. We check our success probability analyzer. We are still in a conducive market, so we leave our trades open. A little over 18 hours into the trades, this is where we are. Again, these are all the trades. We check our success probability analyzer again. Everything is still good, so we leave things as they are. Moving forward. After a little over 20 hours, this is where we are. As you can see, the condition of the market has changed, so we close all trades. Our balance is now $22,579. This means we've made $17,574 in 4 days. These results are proof of the effectiveness of the Raptor. As you can see, this is real money, this is a real account. Let's have a look at something even more impressive. This is another example of how powerful and effective the Raptor is. This is obviously a live market, and we've made around $19,000 in profit so far. All these trades were executed by the Raptor, as you can see. We are now going to close all these trades. This is our profit, and as you can see, it all happened within 1 day, in almost 14 hours. These are all the trades. Again, as you can see, they were executed by the Raptor. This is truly one of the most effective expert advisor you will ever come across. If you are interested in using ProtonRaptor in your trading, send the words ProtonRaptor to raptorexpert@proton.me or contact our MQL developer team on mqlea@proton.me. We have both MetaTrader 4 and 5 versions of the Expert. Thanks for your time. Good luck with your trading.